So today is March 18th. We're getting ready for early spring coming soon. Last year I did a video about my peach, and I was using neem oil as a test. I wanted to try the most organic type of spray preventing the peach leaf curl disease, but unfortunately I tried it and I still got a lot of leaf curl that ultimately it ruined a lot of the fruit. So this year I'm going to show you which works better. It's a copper fungicide. I like to reuse my bottles right here. But this is a copper fungicide. This is the only thing that works against peach leaf curl disease. I use this. The best schedule is January, February, and March. So with these 3 times I use it, and it's getting ready to bloom, so you would stop right when it blooms. And then there is another treatment you can use in April after the bloom has fall and the fruit set is starting. You can use a different one, but you wouldn't be using the copper fungicide then. This is only for right now from January to March. This works the best. Since this is a small tree, I use the hand spray. The best is, if you have a large tree in ground, to use the one that is water hose attachment. You would spray it through a big tree, but obviously peaches that are like 10 feet tall, it'll be really hard to spray even with that. So this is the last time before you can get a chance to spray all your stone fruit to prevent peach curl. If you do not spray copper fungicide, you will most likely get a lot of peach curl damage. And even with the resistant variety, it just means less likely to have it. I wouldn't recommend growing any stone fruit if you can't spray copper fungicide. I wouldn't recommend it at all. Otherwise, they do ripen quite soon in July. So I do love peach. It's just a lot of work compared to other trees, and you do need a spray.